Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down complex financial news into simple, digestible insights for you. Today, we're diving into why the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow are starting the final trading session of the year on a downtrend. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just keeping an eye on the economy, this is a must-know moment. What's happening right now? As the year comes to a close, we're seeing a significant dip across the major indices. The S&P 500, a key benchmark of the U.S. stock market, is sliding. The Nasdaq, heavily focused on tech stocks, is facing similar losses. And the Dow, representing some of the biggest companies in the world, isn't immune either. But why is this happening? Let's break it down. Key reasons behind the decline. There are a few key factors driving this downward trend. Key 1: rising interest rates. The Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hikes throughout the year are making borrowing more expensive, cooling down the economy, but also putting pressure on stock prices. Key 2: persistent inflation. Despite some improvements, inflation remains high, squeezing both consumers and businesses. Key 3: economic uncertainty. Recession fears are looming, and investors are playing it safe by pulling back from riskier assets like stocks. Key 4: end-of-year profit-taking. Let's not forget, many investors might be locking in profits before the year ends, contributing to additional selling pressure. What does this mean for you? So, what should you do? Should you panic? Absolutely not. Market dips are a natural part of investing, and they often create opportunities for those with a long-term strategy. If you're already invested, stay the course. This could be a temporary blip. If you're looking to invest, this downturn might be a chance to buy quality stocks at a discount. Look ahead. What to watch in the new year? As we move into the new year, keep an eye on a few key things. The Fed's next moves on interest rates, inflation reports, and how they impact consumer spending. Earnings reports from major companies that could sway the market. Remember, the market is unpredictable in the short term, but over the long haul, it's historically gone up. Markets may be sinking now, but every challenge brings opportunity. Stay informed, stay focused, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest financial insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.